Hi, it's the Tiny One slash Bishie, and I got a package. This package came to me from one of my friends who you may not know who she is, but she's one of the people that loves to send me these random little care packages or care packages for like my birthday, Christmas, all that, and they're always filled with awesome, fun things that I really enjoy using, eating, whatever. So, without further ado, let me turn on my fan real quick and then we'll see what's inside. Or I could always remember my sweatshirt. I had to be out and about earlier today, and so I'm like, it's a lot warmer inside than it is outside. Lots of tape. There we go. Whoop. Told you one of these days I'm going to cut myself on camera. The struggle is real with the package. There we go. Oh. And then we come up with even more tape on the other side. Come on. There we go. The whole video is me opening the box. All right. She does this all the time. Oh my god. Okay, so first off, she sends me an activity book. And so dots and coloring and just cool little activities to do, which is awesome. Help stimulate my brain, this whole thing. Then the other thing is this one, which is another coloring book. I still feel bad that I haven't gone through and colored through the coloring books that she has sent me before. And a lot of it is my fault, my bad, because my brain is dumb. And growing up, I was never allowed to have my creativity flourish. And a lot of stuff like, I was specifically told, no, you need to color certain things, certain colors. You can't have an elephant red. You can't have a cat pink or any of that stuff. And so I get stifled. And so stuff like this, where you color all sorts of different things, I struggle with it. But I will get there at some point and then make real beautiful creations like this. Or like that. So that's awesome. And then she gave me a little note. Enjoy these treats and hang it in there. And she also included, let's see if I can post this, a photo for Kitty. Isn't that cute? Or a photo of a kitty. All right. So I have mentioned in a previous, this is happy, so I mentioned in previous videos, I think it was one of my tasting videos, that I enjoy guacamole Takis. And she me 1, 2, 3 bags of Takis. I've never seen bags this small before. So that's pretty awesome. So yay, I got my little Taki fix. And then she got me some more little pins that I could put on my vest for work. Little skull. And then got the little thing from One Piece. I am curious though. I don't know if One Piece is a anime that she enjoys or that she thinks I enjoy. I think I've only watched like a handful of episodes. I've done Luffy like once for a friend's birthday party and then never again. Mainly because I don't fit in no more, but I don't know. But that's kind of cool. The little, I think they're called Straw Hat Pirates. I think. I don't know. But yeah, oh, is that it? Yeah. Oh. I got a little eyeball. Alright, so my little fix is gonna be taken care of for the I don't know if that's a hallucination or what, but I can smell them through the bag. So yeah, so awesome. Like I said, I always enjoy her little care packages and a little pick me up, and she's always so thoughtful, so very thoughtful. Anyway, so that's all for now for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you all. I don't know why my video is going light dark. I am going to go and it's not popping. There we go. I'm going to go and enjoy some video games, have some Taki, and just relax for today. What I've been doing lately is, besides flinging buttons around, as you can see, I got my Switch in the background right there. And I've been playing a lot more with my Let's Go Eevee since I can't have Pokemon Animal Crossing. That's it. Since I haven't been able to get the new Animal Crossing yet, I've been playing that game. I've been enjoying some other older games like Wizard 101, Final Fantasy 14, Realm Reborn. Might get into some Star Wars later, not sure. Still need to play a little bit more Persona 5. My personal playthroughs, since I don't have a game capturing device yet. But, and resting. That's basically all I've been doing. So yeah. Like I said, hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope you all are pleased, staying safe, staying happy, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.